Oh, hey, Mr. Spina, we haven't shot a video in so long.
Oh, I'm excited. Here we
So
go.
real quick, we just want to recap what we've been working on. Tomorrow, we're wrapping up our week before our fall breaks. We're going to work on our compound subjects, predicates, comparing and contrasting. We have some assignments, so writing. We really want everybody to focus on their Achieve 3000.
Yeah.
This is tomorrow, Thursday is the last day we're going to have real assignments. We're planning on doing some fun things for Friday. Tomorrow, we will review our monthly test that we took this week.
Yes.
We have a lot of things to discuss. We found a lot of trends. It didn't go as well as we'd hoped, but here's the good news. We see the results and we now know what we as a class need to work on. Our kids are really, really good at doing the math. They're not so good at paying attention to what the question is asking them. So we're going to do a massive review tomorrow. In fact, Mr. Spina, don't even
It's gonna
tell
help
them.
them out a lot.
We're probably going to move this up a little bit so we can cover it first thing. So make sure you are here tomorrow morning for reading
Very
and math
important.
because it's going to be massive when you see where we're going to hit science. This is all that we need finished up for the week. We have some reading assignments. Make sure your family shield is submitted. You can do a flip grid. We're going to watch those on Friday, so you're going to want to shoot those today or tomorrow. Your STEM Mayflower ships, that is due in Canvas. You just have to answer the questions. The flip grid for that for extra credit is also open. Make sure you have your 50 minutes for reading and math and ready, and then make sure that you've done your 4 articles for Achieve 3000. We haven't had tons and tons of assignments. There's no weekly investigations and different things this week. So we really, really want to focus on this. Tomorrow's a big, huge day. We have some Great American Teach-In, and we're going to do the math. So Mr. Spina and I really need your guys' help. What we need everybody to do is the school really needs every parent of an e-learning student to fill out the survey about your second semester intent. And here's how we understand it. Mr. Spina, I don't even think the school district knows exactly what's going to happen at this point. So right now, we just need to know what you guys intend to do. It is not binding. When Mr. Spina and I know what we're doing, there will be flexibility to change things. But as it stands now, if you're comfortable with your child going back to school with the current this current state of the COVID and the disease, if you want them to be back in school, you should pick that as an option. If you are not choosing because you want to keep your kid's teacher, which is us, if you're keeping that because you're not sure about what the COVID will look like when the time comes, if you want to preserve our class in its current state, then you should pick e-learning for now, because if there's not enough e-learning kids, they're probably going to start to dismantle e-learning classes and teachers. And then that is probably what's going to make it so kids will be reassigned to different teachers. So we need everyone to vote so that we can figure out, because if everybody votes for back to school, then we may be able to work it out where we're still the teachers. But we don't know how it will work. So if you have any concerns over the COVID, or you want to be sure that your kid stays with us, with the same teacher, us, then I would pick e-learning for now. And just remember, none of it is binding. This isn't a decision. This is to help the school's decision makers. Mr. Smith, anything to add?
It's so important that you go ahead and fill that out. I mean, we love your kids and we don't want to lose them, but the only way we can stay together with our size is to keep our size. So the deal is we need, you just have to be comfortable with keeping them with us for the remainder of the year and keeping us teaching with them with the continuity with us. Because like I said, it's possible that one of us, or we don't know how it's going to work. We don't know.
Mr. Spina, there are 3 e-learning classes now, so we don't know what will happen. And our class is unique because we work together. So I ultimately think if we had enough kids, our kids would almost certainly stay together.
Yes, that's important.
We know that almost for a fact. But if lots of kids leave and move, then it's going to take all the e-learning classes are going to get thrown into a flux, and then we don't know what's going to happen. So please fill out the survey. If you have any questions or concerns about keeping the teacher, keeping the class together, or just avoiding the COVID, you have to fill it out for e-learning. If you want your child to go back to school, then you can pick back to school, and that's totally fine. But the school really, really needs everybody to submit that. We have about
Bye, bye.
37 people in our class that haven't declared. So if you can declare by Friday, remember it's not binding, but that's kind of how it's shaking out. So if you're waiting to hear more information on how to keep a teacher, that's probably not going to happen before Friday. And the vote for that would be to declare e-learning for now until we know what we're doing, and then you'll have the ability to change after that.
That's a good decision.
All right, so we're going to do some fun things the rest of the week, wrap up. There are some reading assignments and the different things we showed you. We appreciate everybody's help. We know it's been a lot. We have report cards, progress alerts coming out. Everybody, we're very, very tired of being tired. It's been a tough year, but we appreciate everybody's help.
Yeah.
And let us know if you have any questions.
Yeah, we enjoy it. Like I said, we love your kids, and hopefully we'll stay together.
All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.